Today, I want to talk about walls for a little bit. Concrete SRWs, or segmental retaining walls, have been around for a long time. During that time, little, if any, true advancement in SRW options have been available. Your choices have been limited to either a smooth or split-face style of wall unit. This has to do with how concrete SRW units are made. The molds used to make concrete pavers and walls are finite. They only let you produce one type of unit at a time. The only advancement that's really happened with concrete SRW systems over the years has been antiquing or tumbling existing wall units. In essence, you take the same units that are smooth or split that you already have and you tumble them to give you a different appearance at the end of the day. Sure, you can have multiple color options and perhaps different size units, but at the end of the day, it's still the same options. Smooth or split, tumbled or non-tumbled. This can be a limiting thing when you're designing unique outdoor spaces. Perhaps this is why sometimes natural products for landscape walls have been used instead of concrete retaining wall units. Unilock has always been on the cutting edge of product advancements. We push our industry forward with unique proprietary products that let you build your business for the long term. Products that are always one step ahead. Let's break out of the limitations of standard segmental wall system and think outside of the block, so to speak. Open your mind up to endless possibilities of color, texture, and unique design flexibility. Welcome to the wall revolution. Welcome to Ucara. So how many unique options are available with Ucara? We don't even know. It's virtually unlimited, and here's why. The key to Ucara is the two-part system of backer block and fascia panel. The backers create the structure of the wall system. The fascia panels create the style and appearance of the wall. The backers are always the same, but the fascia panels have limitless options. Ucara fascia panels are made like a paving stone. This revolutionary concept is what lets Unilock take any paving stone technology advancement and create a retaining wall with it. So check this out. This is an Umbriano paving stone in Winter Marvel with 𝐦𝐨𝐫𝐞. This is a Ucara fascia panel. Again, manufactured like a paving stone with Umbriano technology and 𝐦𝐨𝐫𝐞 technology. The only difference is that the bottom of this panel is molded to fit the SureTrack rail system of the Ucara backer blocks. This is the revolutionary concept of Ucara and what makes it the ultimate retaining wall system. Here are some of the other styles of fascia panels that we currently offer. In our EnduroColor technology, we offer a smooth panel. We also offer, in our series wash finish, a whole nother set of panels. And for the textured look of a natural stone, we offer our pitched face EnduroColor panel. The choice of fascia panels alone gives you more unique design options than ever before. But again, let's think outside of the block and take things to the next level with Ucara. With Ucara, stack bond walls are no issue at all, as you can see in the upper wall in the photo on your screen. The Ucara backer blocks are laid in a running bond pattern just like any other retaining wall, and this creates the structure of the wall itself. The fascia panels are locked into the SureTrack rails in a stack bond pattern without fear of any joint separation or critical wall failure. As an added benefit, the Ucara fascia panels give added structure to the entire wall system as they lock into the horizontal plane on the backer blocks. It's pretty simple. Just click your panel on and lock it in place. What you do with Ucara is only limited by your imagination. Accenting and mixing textures within the wall face is now possible with Ucara. No longer are you limited to a single style or color in any retaining wall that you're going to build. This example is the project you just saw, where we've inserted a single pitched face panel just to demonstrate the design versatility of the Ucara system. Although this is just an example, take a look at this real project. This project adds an accent of series black granite fascia panels to make the design pop and pick up on the roof and trim of the house. Gives a great contemporary look. This project does the complete opposite, where we use pitch face Ucara panels to perfectly match the natural stone veneer on the house. Adding in a single smooth band of opal and Duracolor panels gives this project a super distinct look that is awesome. This design distinguishes the pillar in the installation by reversing the smooth and pitched face panels from the wall. There are just so many options for banding and accents with Ucara. It's truly 𝐬𝐨𝐫𝐷. So take a look at this new development. We're pleased to bring to market a brand new 3-inch Ucara fascia panel. It's exactly half the height of a standard 6-inch panel and gives you even more design flexibility. It's just one in a host of new items coming down the line for the Ucara system. And like all fascia panels, it's manufactured to accept the SureTrack rail system and give you the comfort of a secure locked-together wall system. The new 3-inch wall panel has been specifically designed to give you the option of a smaller band. In a wall application, you could easily drop a course down and add 3-inch panels to make a nice thin line accent in a different color, style, or texture. You could even use this as a double band and a running bond like the photo that's on your screen for a very unique look. Dropping that panel down reminds me of another unique feature of Ucara that's an added bonus. It's called lock bonding. And what lock bonding does is it locks 2 courses of backer blocks together with a fascia panel. So when I move this panel down, in essence, the bottom rail of the SureTrack channel locked into the SureTrack rail on the lower block, the top channel locked in to the lower rail on the top block, in essence locking these 2 panels together. So think about an application where you're using landscape lighting, or you have a water feature, kind of like what you see on your screen. When done properly, lock bonding allows you to achieve a 3-inch channel between the top course of backer block and your wall coping. So think about an application where you could easily run your water lines, electrical conduit, or any accessory that you might need to safely hide and have easy access to for the future. Lock bonding is just an added benefit of the Ucara system. So here's another unique, flexible option for Ucara. A wall that lets you adjust the faces in and out as you go. Multiple colors, textures, and styles in different applications. All Ucara backer blocks have an alignment key and 3 alignment channels on the bottom of the block. That's what allows us to adjust coursing within Ucara wall panels in and out as you do a wall. If I was to drop this panel down and get away from lock bonding and move these 3 standard backer units to the forward position of the channels, and then place another wall unit, fascia panel, on the front, you can see that this moves the top panel out from the bottom panel. That's just another level of design innovation that gives you tremendous flexibility when you're putting projects together in the field. But Ucara is not only a decorative wall, it can do some serious retaining as well. Using the alignment key on the Ucara backer blocks in the rear position gives the backer block units a setback to achieve true retaining potential. As with all Unilock retaining walls, geogrids can also be used on Ucara for large-scale projects when needed. Always refer to the Ucara installation manual for basic engineering guidelines on larger projects. And remember, hire a professional engineer to design your large-scale projects to ensure the safety of the retaining wall installation and protect yourself and your company. Ucara is a great system for vertical features like pillars and fire tables. Custom vertical elements are only limited to your imagination with the Ucara system. Grills are another great option that you can build out of the Ucara fascia panels and backer blocks. Speaking of vertical features, check out our upcoming training session on the new Ucara modular system. It's the quickest, easiest, and coolest way to build any vertical element using Ucara. Another unique option with Ucara is the Ucara wall mount system. tune into a training session specifically on the wall mount system to see how you can use the Ucara fascia panels to turn any solid structure into a beautiful veneer. This is a game-changing market opportunity to add to your design arsenal. The Ucara multi-face wall system gives you a truly unlimited amount of options and freedom in your landscape designs. Whatever the challenge, Ucara's unique design options have what it takes to get the job done. Contact your territory manager today for more information on the Ucara system, but better yet, schedule an on-site demo to see the versatility of this revolutionary system for yourself. Let Unilock and Ucara help make every one of your projects 𝐬𝐨𝐫𝐞. Thanks for tuning in today, and we will see you in the field very soon.